Well folks, welcome back to the workshop. Today we have no repairs. This here is just a quick wee heads up video, that's all. As you know from a few videos a few months ago, I hinted that there might be a Hikoki collaboration video in the works at some stage in the future. Well, guess what? Hikoki have come back and said they do actually want to do a collaboration video. So coming shortly, there's going to be a Hikoki teardown video. This ain't going to be your normal collaboration video where you just unbox a brand new tool, have a quick wee run with it for 5 minutes and give it a thumbs up. This is going to be a proper tool teardown collaboration video, my kind of video. Now this particular collaboration could not have worked out any better, to be quite honest with you. It's Hikoki power tools. I'm already a fan of them. As you know, just like Makita, they supply all the spare parts, so they're right up my street. Couldn't be happier to do a collaboration video with them. But it's the type of collaboration this here video is going to actually be. It's no contract, no conditions, no payments. So this is going to be completely honest review of Hikoki tools and do a proper teardown on them. Basically, the condition on it is free reign. Do what I like. There's no condition on it at all. The only thing they've asked me to do is to drop them an email if there's going to be a bad video. If I don't like the tool and I'm not happy with it or it's terrible, just to drop my quick email before it's posted, just to prepare them. That's it. That's all they've asked me to do. Apart from that, do what I like. Strip it down, do a wee test video, just unbox it. They've left it completely up to me. A 30-second or 60-second short video if I want, or a complete 2-hour teardown video. And obviously, it's going to be a teardown video. So, in the future, look forward to a Hikoki Power Tools collaboration video. We're going to tear the machine apart and actually have a proper look through it to see what's good and what's not. Now the reason why I'm actually posting this video instead of just doing the video straight away is I kind of just need to prepare myself, because this actually worked out so well. I can't actually believe it. Not only because there's no contract and no payment, not that Hikoki didn't offer to pay me for this year. I didn't want to take a payment, simply to keep it an honest review, and that's why we have complete reign over what we actually do with this thing. But I need to prepare myself because Hikoki, it's not just Hikoki. As you know, Hikoki also bought out Metabo, so wouldn't be much point in them sending on a Hikoki hammer and nothing to do with Metabo. So also, this is going to involve Metabo power tools. This is going to be a complete teardown video for Hikoki and Metabo. And of course, you wouldn't really want to be doing a Hikoki video without the new Hikoki nail gun. Or should I say guns. As we done the DeWalt and the Makita video, teardown on the new nail guns, they've also sent in both their new nail guns, the 16 gauge and the first fix gun as well, the new generation. Not much point in looking at cordless tools without looking at batteries. So they've sent in a complete range of batteries, from their basic 18 volt to the 36 volt to the multi-volt for the Hikoki tools. Absolutely everything is involved here. And of course, Metabo being famous for metal fabrication, you wouldn't really want to do a video without some metal working tools or some oddball tools you don't often see. Metabo trimmer. And of course, you can't have cordless tools in a video without the go-to tool, the drill. And you can't have Metabo drill without having a Hikoki drill. And of course, if you have a drill, you need an impactor. They've sent in a little bit of everything. 4 Metabo tools and 5 Hikoki tools, all to tear down and separate teardown videos. So that's what this one's about. A wee heads up on what's to come. Teardown video on each of these here tools. And I'm not just going to do a quick wee video and a wee look at everything. We're going to take them one at a time, dismantle all of them, and have a look inside of everything and see what's good. Of course, the ones I can't wait to check out are inside the new generation nail guns. These here are looking brilliant. The first generation, you couldn't fault. So it'll be very interesting to see what these ones are like. So, let me know in the comment section, folks, what one will we look at first? One of the Metabos or one of the Hikokis? Let me know in the comment section down below which one you want to see, and whichever one gets the most votes, that's the one we'll tear down first. Probably don't even need to do the wall chaser now, because as you know, just done a teardown video on 2 of them, can for repair. So we're only just after doing that one. So let me know in the comments which one you want to see, and that'll be the first one we tear down. Till then folks, chat to you later.